Hi there everyone, Josie here, Life at 50 and Beyond. Thanks for joining me here in my channel. Today I have a fantastic haul for you all, and these are craft items. I do a lot of DIYs, mostly Dollar Tree items, but I do from time to time share with you some paper crafting that I do. But I've also mentioned here too that I'm trying to delve into the die cutting, and I even purchased myself a spellbinder silhouette that I can use to cut my paper crafts. So when the company InLoveArtShop.com approached me if I would be interested in trying out some of their products, and so they offered me a $50 worth of coupon that I can use to shop in their website. And the company is based in Shanghai, China, and they do have a customer service based out of Commerce, California as well. So if you need a contact here in California or even the US time, you can also go into that contact page for their branch out here in California. Now I just want to give you also a full disclosure. Whatever, if you decide to buy anything from this website, I am not going to receive any commission or percentage from the sale. I just want to be upfront with that. I only receive these items for free because, you know, I'm a crafter and who doesn't like freebies. But I am going to give you also my first impression review in my experience with them as a company. When I was navigating through their website, it was pretty easy to get my orders, and I got my order really quick. I don't know, because I am a YouTuber, influencer, probably they ship out fast, you may think. So I'm just telling you my whole experience. We just want to be honest with you on that one. So what I'm going to do with these items here is I'm going to show them to you. I'm going to remove them from their packaging, and then I'm going to be putting in the subtitle portion the SKU number as well as the price when I purchase them. Now, I just want to let you know that prices do change, not only with this shop, but other shops as well, because they offer discounts. I may have purchased it on a discount price, and then when you check, it may be a full price. And I just checked their website. They do offer some discounts as well. And aside from that, I have a coupon code in the description box below. So let's get started with this dies first. So the first one, oops, that I'm going to show you just fell, is a die cut for the word hello. It comes, they all come wrapped, and then there's this UPC code, or where the SKU code is, so it's labeled. And of course, because it's a die cut, you will see that it's in reverse. So that's hello. Circle, flower, leaves, dies. So circle, flowers, leaves, dies. And yeah, let me just show you each one as well. So they will come attached like this, not separated. I think in a way for packaging that's better. It keeps it safer and secure. So all you need to do is snap them off, or cut up or snip off those connectors here, and then you can use them. Okay, it's not pretty, and I must say the quality is not flimsy at all. It's just what you could expect of a well-made die. Next is the door die, and here it has the words hello, love, smile. You know, when you do use this die cut, you can fold the sides as well, and there are some embellishments, of course, some words. If you don't want to use the words, you don't need to. Again, they're just interconnected so that they're safer to transport or package. So that's what you get. Okay, so it looks like this one is like a perfume bottle, couple of perfume bottles here, or not only a couple, but there are 4 perfume bottles. And yeah, now the next one here, and this is the floral wreath dies. You get 4 of them, and it's very self-explanatory. They're shaped like a wreath, and there are florals on the sides, and on this particular one there are a couple of hearts as well. See that? And they're again connected for packaging. Okay, the next one here is the You and Me coffee cup dies. So this is a cup, there's a heart there, and there are some words, you and me, coffee, that's the word coffee, there's the ampersand, and just, you know, the steam from the hot coffee. And then there's a banner. Pocket envelope dies, because this is the number 18. Yeah, pocket envelope. There we go. So it has some kind of floral design there, so that when you make this, you can fold this, and then you can use this to put in a small note card or a gift card, or yeah, if you want to wrap a present, and then you can put this on the side or hanging on a bottle or a jar that you're going to give. Or if you want to use this also, if you're creating one of my DIYs, like traveler's notebook covers that I made from cardstocks or even placemats, you can use this. You cut the paper and then adhere it onto the inner cover of the traveler's notebook that you make, and then you can use this as a pocket. That's an idea there for you. And then here's another one here. This is a Christmas stamp dies, and this is $2.99. This is kind of smaller and thinner. It says here 12 pieces, but I don't know if there are. I counted, but if you're gonna count the inner parts, probably you'll get 12 pieces as well. But let me just show you what they are. They're different woodland animals, and I will try to identify their silhouette as best as I could. So I think this is a fox, this is a bear, probably this one is an owl, and this one is a reindeer or deer. I'm not quite sure on this one, but I know this is a bunny. So there are probably two bears. Okay, so yeah. A little thin or a little small, so I'm gonna be very careful with that, because they're just to embellish pages or scrapbooks. Next one is a big die, and I haven't had anything as big as this, and I don't think it will fit my silhouette spellbinder cutter, but I'm gonna give it a shot still. And this is a big one. Okay, so this one is called Girl Cutting Die, and it's actually a little pricey. I mean, to me it is pricey, but maybe because it's huge. But look at that. It's beautiful and huge. It's 11 inches long, and I think it will span like probably 5 inches wide on this one here. But yeah, look at the beauty of it. And she's kind of like blowing a kiss, and she has her hand kind of lifting up here, and she's wearing a nice dress. And this will be good for probably making a big card for a girl, whether it's quinceañera, 18th birthday, sweet 16, or bridal shower, wedding, if you can find a groom. I didn't see any groom, but this will be a cute one. I believe in creating something for a girl. So very fancy. And again, if you're gonna buy that, make sure that you're aware that this is a huge one, and if you don't have a huge die cutter, you may not be able to use this. But I'm thinking make a cutout out of it, even though it's not gonna fit in my silhouette spellbinder cutter. I'll try to experiment something. Last piece is not a die, but this is a diamond. They call it diamond painting, or we call it more popularly here in the States, diamond art. And let's see what it is. I really love how it looks like online when I saw this, and I figured my sister will have so much fun with this. And you know, I don't know if you're familiar with diamond art. I'm gonna have a film from my sister, because she has done so many of this, and she only learned it recently, only a few months, just to keep her busy. She started learning this, and there's, you know, it's kind of like embroidery in a different kind of way. You're using what they call diamond dots, I think. I'm not familiar. I haven't done it, but I'm really willing to try as well. The set comes with an applicator as well, and plastics here, where you can put some of the, probably the beads, I would assume, and they're different. There are so many bags in here. You've got a lot of materials here to complete this project here, and this is how it's gonna look like. And when I saw this online, you know me, if you've been following me here on my channel, I like this color a lot. You know, the sky blue or the teal or turquoise. Some codes here. You gotta have some bright eyes to see this, and then that's where you're gonna put all the colors to match. So this is something that you can do if you have the patience and the time, which my sister I'm sure has a lot of. So yeah, I'm gonna send this to her, and this one is only $6.79, so it's not too bad considering you know, it contains a lot of the items already that you need, and the tools as well. You don't even have to buy anything. So that's it, everyone. I want to give InLoveArtShop.com a double thumbs up because my experience with them has been so pleasant from the time I ordered and communicating with them, and then the fast shipping. And if you are interested, please check in the description box below. In any of the items here, I will have the direct links to each of the items, as well as I'm going to put down in the description box below the code that you can use when you are purchasing. Keep in mind, free shipping worldwide starts when you reach $25 minimum purchase. Okay? I hope you all are having a great day. Thanks again for joining me here in my channel. I hope to talk to you again on my next video. Take care now. Bye-bye!